Hey, welcome once again to new video. This is our real estate lead generation series part 9. In this series, today we are covering Facebook Marketplace. For new users or registered, um, we can say people, this option is not available to avoid the scamming and spammers. Facebook has given access to old accounts only, so you can easily check if your account is old. You can check it on the left side of your profile. Otherwise, if you are using the app, you can just click on the three bars and you will get this option marketplace. So let's dive in. I would like to here I am unable to use Abhijit's account as it doesn't have any option. See, I'll show you. This is the option. Uh, we have no this thing Facebook Marketplace option here. So I logged into my own account and I'll show you. I'll refresh the page. I am again in this. So here you can check marketplace option. I have clicked on it and I'll get the list of products and services available for sale, or I can promote my product or service as a classified advertisement inside Facebook itself. Facebook groups are limited because only the subscribed member or registered members can see your post. But using marketplace, you can explore more potential as it will be shown to everyone outside that group also. So you have to click here marketplace. I have it will show my joined groups. Here I have to click on sell something. It is similar like what we done in a last video on a Facebook groups using the tutorial. So I have to choose property for sale or rent, item for sale or rent. Make sure, see, the your observation must be on these two categories. They have exclusive property store and rest other things like fashion things, electronics, services and all. They have only one group, and for properties they have exclusive groups. So it might be a hint from Facebook that they will be a top leader, or it they'll come with the top platform along with the millions of properties and millions with the buyers. So let's begin. We'll click on properties. Here I need to mention, first I need to upload the photos. I'll go with this one, and we can go with the 50 photos at a time for a single property. Here I need to choose the category. Property is for sale, rent. Getting my point? In the group you will not get these options. For a marketplace you can post specific or particular audience with the particular states, city exactly. So it's a apartment, 2 bedroom, let's say bathroom 2, price is 50 lakhs. 50 lakhs property address. I need to mention the Baner. You will get the pre-filled database. Pune. Keep property address private. No, I don't want private property address, or let it be. And property description, here we need to mention the property description as I'll type 2 BHK, pardon, 2 BHK for sale at Pune for 50 lakh. Okay, let me go with the advanced details. Cell type we can say fresh. Built up area, let's say 1000 square feet, and carpet area is around 850 square feet. Furniture, I'll mention unfurnished one. Parking, yes, we have one car park. We can go with the none. Listed by agent or owner, we are posting it as an agent. So ready possession, ready to move, tenure type, it's a freehold. Or you can see this video, we got something new, like many MIDC, yeah, we can say industrial properties have their lease duration, particular lease duration. For Pune, Maharashtra, we got 30 years industrial shade. And for residential purposes we have two options: 99 years lease and 999 years lease. So in this way you can go with the mentioned one. Generally 80% properties are freehold. You can click on next. And here the benefit of using marketplace is you can post it across your groups. Up to 20 groups they have limitations, but you can choose the group posting from here only with the specific, like for sale, for rent. We have more options or specification rather going blind or generic post. It is a beneficial. Just you have to click on publish and your listing will get approved. uh, it's by default, no admin approval needed. It's straightforward, approved by the Facebook team. So I'll discard the listing and stop this video. Hope you enjoyed, you are learning new things. And Rohit Gaikwad, once again, you are real estate consultant, co-speaker and published author. Thank you.